to make space or free up space on your MacBook, especially how to get rid of the stubborn system data that you see here. So let's begin from the top. I'm going to press Command space and go to settings, right? In this video, I'm going to show you not only how to clear the system storage, but also how you can in general free up space on your Mac. So let's start from the beginning. You opened settings, you went in general, and you clicked on storage. So over here in storage, it will show you all the different ways that files or applications has taken up space on your system. And as you can see over here, documents has taken up the most space on this. So I am sure you have already tried to delete as much documents as you can. But if you're someone like me who is very unorganized and does not has data strewn, documents strewn everywhere, it's very helpful if you click on the eye over here and it already shows you what are the largest files on your system that you can delete. And you can also click on downloads, see what is in downloads if that helps. So for example, I know that in here, I have about 15 GB of data that can definitely be deleted. So I can just click on it and delete the entire folder if I choose to. In case you don't know what any of the files are and you would like to see them before, so you can also just click on it and press space and the file opens up. So over here, I know that this is a huge folder. I would like to get rid of this. So I will click on that and I will just say delete. And it takes a bit because the size is big, but this will get deleted. Right? So this way you can choose to delete one or more folders from one or more files from your documents to make space. The second tip that I have is that once you have deleted things from your documents, it does not mean that it has automatically made space or deleted from the computer. You also need to empty your bin. As you can see, the bin over here is also taking up space, right? So I'm going to click on the bin over here and I'm just going to click empty. Do note that if you delete files directly from the documents, they likely do not end up in the bin. They already get deleted. But if you open your Finder and you delete things from here, they will show up in your bin, which means that you then need to empty your bin as well. So that was the bin emptied. Next, we are going to come to this stubborn system data, which has taken up 56 GB over here, right? So system data has many different files, but the files from that which you can delete are the cached files, which is temporary files that are stored on your system. So for that, I'm going to show you how to delete that. First, you're going to go to Finder. You're going to click on Go and you're going to go to Utilities. Once here, you are going to press Command, Shift and G. I already have the location typed in over here. In case you don't have the location, then you're going to type ~library, press enter, and it will open to the library of the user that you are logged into. Now over here, you can also arrange this by size and go to the caches folder. In case you do not see the sizes listed over here, you can press Command J and tick the calculate all sizes. Now I already had it ticked, so I'm going to click on it again and use this as a default, right? So in caches, you can also click here and see what are the different things that are taking up this cache size. Earlier, I recently made space, but earlier I had Google, which took up almost 4 GB of cached data over here. So this entire folder of caches, in my opinion, can be deleted. This does not mean that any of your login information, the profiles on browsers, your extensions, plugins, etc., this kind of data does not get deleted. This is only temporary files that are stored on the system in cache that get deleted. I'm going to be deleting all the data within this folder, or at least that which takes up the most space. So Brave takes up most of the space and Google takes up, Siri takes up a lot of the space, okay? So all the big ones I think can definitely go. So I'm going to be deleting these files from the cache. Yes, so now my cache folder is only 137 MB. And this space, you can also see over here that a little bit of system data has been cleared over here. One more tip that I forgot to mention is applications. Any applications that you are not using that you don't need, I would say just uninstall them, right? Do note that some of these are system applications. I would not recommend that you uninstall these. They also do not take up a lot of space. It is risky to uninstall them as they came with the system, but anything apart from that. So Zoom, for example, is taking up a lot of space. So I am just going to delete that. Okay, done. So I have deleted that as well. So, and that reduces some system data as well. So this is how you can make space on your system.